Hi, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. Today class we are going to draw this model. Here this circle center is 60 mm. Here this circle radius, and here this circle radius and this circle radius. All these circle radius are same. It is 40 mm diameter. Okay, so let's start. Select the plane. Again I'm selecting profile here. Okay, this is the model I'm selecting. Let's give the dimension. Here it is 12 mm, and here this thickness is also 12 mm. Okay, here this line to this line, here it is 40. From here to this point is also 40, because this edge to circle center it is 20 and this circle diameter 40, so radius 20. 40 plus 40 total 80. Length. Okay, and this height, its height is 56. Here this line to this part 24 plus this point to this bottom part is 20, so total here to bottom it is 44 plus 12 mm, 44, 54, 56 mm from here to this bottom part height. Okay, if you have any doubt, let's calculate. So here side is 56. Okay, okay, it's the workbench, and its total width is 40 mm, so I'm selecting mirror extent, preview. Okay, this is the part here, and here I'm selecting this part, this face. So this height is 44. Okay, and width is 40. This is a model, and thickness is 12 mm. Reverse direction, preview. Okay, okay, let's select the whole diameter is 16 mm and depth is 12. Let's select the position, how it's going to be. This point to this, it is 20 mm, and from outer part to this circle center 20 mm. Okay, this is a part. So now I want to take a mirror extent. Okay, and here also I want to give 60 mm diameter. It is 20. 16 mm diameter, 12 mm depth. Now set this plane. The dimension same as 20 by 20. It's the workbench. Okay. This is a model, and edge fillet it is 20 mm. Okay, this is a model. Okay, here we have some chamfer. Let's 3 mm. Okay, preview. Yes, this is a model. This is the final model. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.